Hello guys, welcome to Canvas Window Art Channel. Today we'll be talking about symmetrical drawing and how it can be practiced. Before practicing symmetrical drawing, we need to observe the nature, because throughout the nature almost all the organic shapes and forms come under symmetrical proportions, as well as whatever man have created as a geometrical object, that is also with symmetrical proportions. To draw symmetrical drawing, I have made a center axis as a vertical line and then started drawing a simple shape. I started with a basic circle. Now I'll be creating a vase. That center axis will help us to draw both the sides equally as a mirror image. To the beginners, it is very much tough to draw because they will not have a center axis. Without having the center axis, it is very difficult to draw and measure. Now here I am not using any devices to measure the drawing. Only with eye measurement I am drawing the image. And then edges are beveled, joining together circle and the rectangular or cylindrical form. Now making the horizontal line in the center of the circle will be help us to understand to make the measurement properly. If it is not proper, you can try to adjust with the sketch. This is just a practicing session, so that I'm trying to make different objects here to practice. You can use any type of object to practice symmetrical drawing. It should be proportionally equal both the side. If you divide into both the side, here you can measure the size both the side with the center axis. Now you can see the top of the vase. I made it as a exact proper oval. Now you can see right side of the object, it is a little it can be adjusted. So you have to practice to measure with your eyes only. You can try to draw freehand drawing as much as possible. He started with a triangular shape of the object. You itself you can create many different type of shapes from the basic shapes. Many objects you can create by yourself. When you're practicing, do not worry about the perfection initially. I'm telling you again and again, not to worry about the perfection immediately. Just practice it. Drawing cannot be achieved overnight. Now I have added some design both the side of a vase. To make a circle also, you can try checking the circle if you made it properly or not by using the center axis, horizontal and vertical lines. Now here I am using Staedtler color pencil, sketching paper, A4 size sketching paper and the Staedtler color pencil. After practicing with the center axis, later you could practice without the center axis also. If you understand how to draw, if you got the flow with the drawing, you can practice without the center line also. To make the oval also, I have made a horizontal slanting line there. Made few details. This is just a practicing sketches, not the fair drawing. Alright guys, I hope you like this video tutorial. We will meet again with another tutorial. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.